Okay, now start.
Okay, so this is the sports car room in our collection. We have a lot of verse cars, just out of the ordinary. Behind me, it's a 2005 Ferrari Superamerica. Next to that is a Ferrari 412 that was custom convertible. They didn't all come like that. It was done by a gentleman in California. These are all versed. I mean, you get a Mercedes next to it. Not really high value car, but it's still a convertible. Convertibles are what bring a lot of money. You got a Jag E-Type next to that, and then you got an XK 56 XK. Next to that's a Triumph TR3. This is a customer's car, a Datsun 240. We're doing some work to it for him. Most of our cars are either collection or just restore or fix them up. This gentleman came in and had a list of problems, didn't want to run. Did a tune-up to it, gave him a general breakdown of what he needed. That is a Maserati Ghibli. It's a 72 Maserati Ghibli.
I know people loves it.
That car right there is probably about $500,000.
Oh.
They didn't make a whole lot of them. It's pretty rare. It's a wild little sports car. Next to it we have it's a 72 442 Oldsmobile. All matching numbers, all original.
How much is that one?
So they're starting to come up on the rise. It's probably 20s to 30s now. Maybe more. It depends on who you get in the room, you know.
Now let's talk about this beauty.
That is a beautiful fuel-injected Corvette, 60.
Can you pop the hood?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yep. Just about every vet we have is actually a fuelie here in our collection. They're pretty cool. In fact, the Chevy Bel Air that's down there, the 57 Bel Air, is a fuel injected. Same motor. It's one of the few that.
Right?
What's that?
They only made like 400.
Yeah, they only made about 400 of them with a fuel injection, with mechanical fuel injection in them.
Do you have anybody here that actually can repair those or rebuild those fuel injections?
Well, me and Jim do some of the final tuning on it.
So,
a lot of the times
let's go next.
Next is
send it out.
T-Bird. This is a tri-power car. She's pretty cool, 4-speed. One of the only few that you get that I actually. I'm not a big T-Bird guy, but
I'm a big Thunderbird guy.
Are you? So that's got twin poly teapots on it and a 4-speed. So it's a pretty cool car. It's pretty pretty responsible. This is a customer's car. It's a 427 tri-power big block Corvette. Come in for some carburetor adjustments. They're kind of finicky. And then next to it is our 63, which is also a fuel injection 4-speed car. So,
What's your name?
my name's Derek.
Derek, how long did you work here?
I've been here for 5 years.
How do you like it?
Love my job.
Nice.
Love my job. It's every day is something new to work on, someplace new to go.
Have you been to auctions?
I haven't been to auctions here. That's usually handled by our general manager. I'm just one of the guys that works on the cars. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you.